Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Netball Jamaica and England Netball have announced a new 4-year international test series to be played between the Sunshine Girls and the Vitality Roses. The series, to be called the Horizon Netball Series, will be hosted by both Jamaica and England on a home and away basis. 2 matches will be played in Jamaica and 2 in England for the next 4 years. The series will begin in November this year with the Sunshine Girls playing away to England's Vitality Roses on November 16 and 17 at the AO Arena in Manchester, England. The teams will then lock horns for the return series on November 25 and 26 at the National Indoor Sports Centre in Kingston. The 2 sides last met in 2023 in a 3-match test series played in Manchester and London, which saw the Vitality Roses claiming that series 2-1. The Sunshine Girls are currently ranked 4th in the world, less than 1 rating point behind the world number 3 ranked England. Head coach of the Jamaica boys under-19 team, Adrian Ramdeen, says chemistry is the basis of their preparation as they get ready for the Caribbean Volleyball Championships. The camp is being held at the GC Foster College of Physical Education and Sport, the venue for the tournament, and Ramdeen says they have one objective in mind.
The last time we entered was 2019. We placed 3rd. So we're looking to improve that and improve it in a big way. The last time we won the tournament, or the first time, was in 2016. I was the assistant coach to Mr. Steve Davis at that time.
Nicholas Watson, who was unable to play with the team in 2022 due to passport issues, expressed elation at finally getting the opportunity to represent the country.
I feel pretty good. Team's good and all that. Oh yeah, for sure. I think in 4 days, that's perfect amount of time to get us bonding together.
Team captain Toshira Jones is also excited and thrilled to be participating in the upcoming tournament.
Things are looking good. We've been making steady progress over the past couple of months, and I'm looking forward to good results from the team.
Jamaica's boys under-19 team has been placed in Pool A along with Aruba and the US Virgin Islands, while the under-19 girls are also in Pool A with Trinidad and Tobago and Barbados. The tournament will start on Friday, but Jamaica's under-19 boys will kickstart their campaign on Saturday against Aruba, while the under-19 girls will play their first game on Sunday against Trinidad and Tobago. Seam bowler Jeremiah Louis has been replaced in the West Indies Test squad by Barbadian Akeem Jordan. According to a release from Cricket West Indies, Louis, who has not featured in the series, sustained a hamstring injury during the 2nd test at Trent Bridge and has been ruled out of the 3rd and final test at Edgbaston, which starts on Friday. Jordan has been in the UK and has joined up with the West Indies squad and has taken part in training today. Louis will remain with the squad for further treatment. Olympic 2020 beaten finalists Spain got off to a good start as they defeated Uzbekistan 2-1 in their opening game in the French capital today. Marc Pibel broke the deadlock in the 29th minute. However, Uzbekistan would equalize just before halftime as Eldor Shomurodov converted a penalty. The winner came in the 62nd minute as Sergio Gomez made up for his missed penalty 3 minutes earlier. Also on the day, 2-time Olympic gold medalist Argentina came back from 2-0 down to earn a draw against Morocco. The African nation took a 2-0 lead against the Eldor champions, netting in the 2nd minute of first half stoppage time and in the 51st minute. The Argentinians would roar back as Juliano Simon, 68th, and Christian Medina dramatically in the 15th minute of second half stoppage time gave them a point on the day. Now at sports time, it is 0-0 between Egypt and the Dominican Republic, and New Zealand are leading 1-0 against Guinea. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report and concludes our Midday News Package. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.